Hey guys, I'm Vanessa Ho. I'm a Year 4 business student at the National University of Singapore. So how did I end up in NUS? I joined NUS because I was inspired by seniors who were having fun while achieving their academic and career goals. I also wanted hall life and to experience uni culture, which I got from fall camps, business pageants, and hall activities like theatre and D&D. Also, I was already interested in starting up, and NUS Overseas Colleges program was something I really wanted to join from the very start.
Welcome to iCube, the base camp for entrepreneurship in NUS. And opposite, we have N-House, the entrepreneurial team residence by NUS Overseas Colleges. I joined the 6 months NOC program in Singapore, and NOC has cultivated so many successful founding stories, and I really want to be plugged into the startup ecosystem. I joined Quest Ventures as a venture capital analyst, and I gained the investor's perspective, learned about fundraising, and I networked with founders and investors. I was surprised that as an intern, I led insane responsibilities like the first annual general meeting and a regional-wide demo day that saw over 300 investors. Through the NOC modules, I also met like-minded schoolmates and learned about various steps in realizing an idea.
One of the most fulfilling parts about my uni life? Co-founding my own CCA, NUS Alumni Ventures. It was empowering that a bunch of us identified a funding gap among young founders, and we kickstarted an over 100-member strong club to solve this issue. I also joined other CCAs including NUS Entrepreneurship Society, NUS Management Consulting Club, and other hall CCAs to meet more friends and explore different interests. I also got to lead projects and connect with different business professionals, and I even got to network to secure an internship. The best part of it all, I get to enjoy my whole journey as a Stephen Ruddy Young Entrepreneur Scholar. I was awarded the Pioneer Badge through the NUS Merit Scholarship, and it motivated me further to seek opportunities within my campus and beyond, and to connect with entrepreneurial peers. After all the fun and memorable experiences, I can't believe I'm a Year 4 student already. If you're looking at starting up, or simply want to be exposed to unconventional experiences, check out all the possibilities right here at NUS. I can't wait to meet all of you ambitious students right here, and trust me, it'll be one crazy and fulfilling ride.